And here we are. Now this is once again another impromptu Longbridge Rally because it was cancelled the January place. But unfortunately, latest news is it has been cancelled due to the weather conditions and perhaps a very wet Cofton Park to the right there. But I've just spoken to somebody at MVF and he says he doesn't think it's that bad now, but they cancelled it early on as usual. They did 2 years ago. People coming in here, got the Rover 200 Cooper here. Stewards are still here this year. Metro here, well, some people staying of course, but there is no official Longbridge Rally in Cofton Park today. It's a great shame because 2 years ago, I know Jevon Cartwright, who organises all this, did want to have it take place a bit later in the year, but it never happened due to problems with trying to arrange it. And of course people do come from abroad as well. Bit of a nuisance actually, having to cancel it. They haven't got any other place arranged and the council have had plenty of notice. 2 years, as I say. Oh, I don't know, I'm going to walk down through. We'll see what's here. Apparently there's cars going all down through the Longbridge Rally, or the, I said that, the impromptu Longbridge Rally. Meanwhile we're going to, now that's the, now this is the MG, yeah, get it right in it. It's just a magnet, trying to work it out. There's the park, by the way. Magnet, MG6 magnet there. Blue sky as well.